Hey guys, we received these dream pairs, girls knee, high buckle, fashion riding boots for test and try. So these are for the little or the big kids and comes in a really nice box and these are high length or the long boots. So this have this small top side for the waterproof thing, near nice soles for anti-slip, the side zipper to adjust and wear it, and then also have these long things to wear it. So it's a fox leather in some models and the fabric velvet on the top in some. So they have the different design that you can choose and also like have this zipper on the side. So it's a really nice shoes. I can see that and there's a buckle for the nice design. So it's good for winters as well in the snow because of this waterproof and the waterproof sole. So fits really well and looks really nice from all the sides. So nice comfortable shoes that you can wear in the winters.